I posted my first YouTube video on September 14th, 2019, and a little over a year later, YouTube finally started paying me. Let me do some explaining first. To get monetized on YouTube, you have to meet two qualifications. You gotta have 4,000 watch hours and you gotta have at least 1,000 subscribers. These numbers seem daunting to start, but if you stay consistent, it's very doable. I've created 290 videos before I got monetized on YouTube. And around 70 of those were daily vlogs, which didn't do too well, honestly, but I'll talk about that in a second. First, let me show you guys how much YouTube paid me. So this is my first month being monetized, and we are on my channel analytics page, and you can see here, my estimated revenue is $26.44. My RPM is $1.93, which I think is super high, and that's only because like my monetization is new. But this should go down over time, I believe, mostly because I know other YouTubers and their RPM is like 2 cents, like that low and stuff. So I don't think this is really a good number to look at right now, but it's cool to see that I've made $26 so far. Playback based CPM, you can read that there. I'm not really sure what that means, honestly. But here are my top earning videos. The top earning one, it has $4.08 earned. It's why you have no views on eBay. Here's some of the other ones. I'm actually surprised that this is a top earning video. Actually, no, I'm not surprised because this is a video I just put out right after I got monetized. So it makes sense that it has a lot of, or in my case, has a good amount of monetization money coming from it, because when I uploaded all these other videos, they didn't have monetization on, meaning that when the ads came up in the beginning of the video, or there were no ads at the beginning of the video when I uploaded these other 4 videos, but this one had ads in the beginning, and that's why it gave me some money. January, $26.44. 44 cents of that was from YouTube Premium revenue. No clue what that means. But here are the ad types. Yeah, you guys aren't interested in that. And I know $26 doesn't seem like a lot, but this is just my first month and I literally just got monetized. And also I really don't have any viral videos. Like the video that has the most views is how to ship a USPS order. And that was like 6.4 thousand views, so not super viral. And when I released this video, it didn't have monetization on it. But let me talk about kind of the journey that it took me to get monetized. So I thought, since I needed the 4,000 watch hours, maybe I should put out a video every single day and do my daily vlog. I was trying to do that, and when I did it, the quality was not there with those videos. I know I have preached quantity over quality because eventually the quality will come, and what do you know, that's exactly what happened when I started putting out these daily vlogs. I started grinding them out. I pumped one out every single day. The quality was low. The views were low too, but I learned that I need to up the quality of this content, and in posting daily, I also got into the routine of making YouTube videos, which was great. So I'm not gonna say don't try out daily vlogs or don't try out a daily series, because in the end, it will help your YouTube channel. It may not get the views that you think it will, you know, it may not go viral, but it will get you into the routine of posting, and it will show you how you need to upgrade your quality. But the truth about getting paid by YouTube in the end is, if you're making the most money off of AdSense, you're doing something wrong. All the big YouTubers I know don't make most of their money off of ads. They make it from brand deals, merch, or whatever. I'm not gonna get a brand deal anytime soon, but I know that's gonna be way more lucrative than what YouTube is paying me with ad money. And what I'm gonna do with that ad money is reinvest all of the profits back into my business, which is YouTube. YouTube is a business for me. I'm going to spend that money to buy things to resell so I can film a video about it. I'm going to spend that money to buy Pokemon packs to open for you guys. Spend the money on buying better equipment. But I just wanna say that in the year and few months that I've been on YouTube, I never thought that I was gonna get to this point where I actually had 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Like, that seems so crazy to me, but I stayed consistent and I was actually able to get it. To the left of me, I have some of my older videos. Please go ahead and check them out. Down below is a subscribe button, and please make sure next time you watch another one of my videos, you watch that ad all the way through in the beginning. I'm just kidding. But I hope you have an amazing day. My name is Austyn Hustles, and I'm out. Later.